Nationwide news, today we're exposing your biased journalism once and for all. The people deserve the truth, not manipulation. So let's take a deep look into the belly of this one-sided radio station. Because what's inside isn't news, it's propaganda, panic, and political fear. Every time the People's National Party starts to rise, nationwide news goes into meltdown. Hughes and George Davis have turned the station into the Fox News of Jamaica. Loud, misleading, and terrified of a PNP takeover. But today we're pulling back the curtain. Nationwide news has become a political mouthpiece instead of a newsroom. Every achievement by the PNP is ignored, every challenge exaggerated, and every rumor broadcast as fact. But here's the real story. They're not protecting journalism. They're protecting their survival. It's no secret that the station has been struggling financially. Word is they allegedly can't even pay their rent. So of course they're terrified that if the PNP takes power, sponsors might walk away and nationwide news would be finished. That fear drives their bias. They're not reporting news. They're defending paychecks. Remember their recent exclusive? They claimed there was a leadership war inside the PNP, saying Damian Crawford wanted to overthrow Mark Golding. Total fabrication. Damian himself came forward and said the story was nonsense. But did Hughes or George Davis apologize? Number. Because chaos brings ratings and confusion keeps the lights on. Instead of accountability, they double down, creating drama, sowing division, and calling it journalism. But the people of Jamaica are awake now. We see the manipulation. And if anyone can silence their propaganda, it's André Stephens from PDTV, the only journalist fearless enough to confront them with truth and receipts. So instead of worrying about the PNP, maybe and George should focus on paying that alleged rent. Because when the truth finally takes over, there may be no nationwide left to run. Nationwide news, the Fox News of Jamaica, paid to mislead and powered by panic. But truth always wins. Like, share, and subscribe. Because here we expose lies, call out hypocrisy, and speak facts. No fear, no favor, and no party color.